There you go, guys. This is the Mazda BT-50 today. This one has the Alpine unit in it, so if you have the Alpine or not, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to cover frequently asked questions. Here's the unit. If your dash looks like this, it doesn't matter what your AC is, but if you've got this big long dash that comes all the way down like this, all the way down to here, this head unit's for you. It's going to keep you the factory reverse camera, or if you don't have one, it's going to come with one on the kit, so it's going to give you a reverse camera. Your steering wheel controls will keep on working. The factory USB will keep on working. It's either up there or some cars have it in here. It's going to look like factory. It's going to sit in here really nicely. All your other factory options will work if you have anything. I don't think there is anything else, but you're going to get a better sound because you've got a better DSP in there. Obviously, it's going to be a bigger touch screen. Fairly easy to install. We have a plug and play kit. This pulls out and it just plugs in, and all our harnesses so sort of match up. So if you can use a screwdriver or know what a socket set is, you should be okay. We've got installation videos to help you out. Yeah, and you got the wireless CarPlay, the wireless Android Auto. It runs Android as a base unit, so you can install extra apps you want. So like off-road maps, or like our TPMS app, so you can monitor your tire pressure. The kit comes with an OBD2 thing, so you can connect to your car's ECU and see engine and trans data. Add-ons, for example, you can get your caravan camera coming in, or like a second camera coming in. You can use our dash camera if you want a dual dash camera that actually comes in, that can integrate into the upgrade. And that's about it. Yeah, so if you have a BT-50, great cars, great upgrade to the head unit we have here. Hey guys, so just finishing off the FAQ, if you did have the BT-50, especially the Alpine unit, so you can see how it fits in there, all looking pretty like factory. You can sort of see what it looks from the side. It's a pretty big fascia that comes in here, because it obviously has to replace the whole lot. We have a USB port down here. We're no longer using the ones at the top. We've tucked those to the side. We've got our factory reverse camera working. We've got our steering controls working. Steering controls over here. The AM reception seems better, so we'll see that when we go forward. Yeah, and that's basically it. Any other questions you have about the BT-50 upgrade, just reach out to us. You can also install any extra apps you want, because you have access to the Play Store here. All our add-ons like TPMS, we can get caravan camera coming in, tyre pressure. There's an OBD2 scan tool, get you some ECU data. What else do you have going on here? You can get some dash cams coming in, all up to you. So, all pretty good, and we have an external mic up here that we're running, and that is all good.